Hello friends, this is Mona Lisa from Karigori Hat. A warm welcome to everyone to my video episode. And today's special is pure hand katha stitch done on pure Bangalore silk material. So we have today pure Bangalore silk sarees on which pure hand katha stitch is done. This is not any machine work, but these are done by our rural Bengal women who spend months together, sometimes 1 month, sometimes a couple of months to complete one such sari. It takes a long time for them to complete the design on one sari because it is completely handmade. There is no machine work involved in these stitches. So let me start with our first sari today. This embroidery is called katha embroidery. This is a tradition of Bengal and this is completely hand done. Here I am showing you the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. As you can see, this is quite a long pallu and the entire pallu has got katha stitch done. I'll give you a close-up also. Such intricate and neat and beautiful work done by hand. Let me show you the inner side of the sari. This will give you an idea that this katha stitch is completely handmade and no machine work is involved in this. So here I am showing you the beautiful pallu. The base color of this sari is black. Material is of course pure Bangalore silk. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion and this is the yoke portion. Here you can see this is the yoke portion. The work, the katha work, the white katha work, this is quite wide as you can see. This is the width of the border. This is running all over the sari. This is running all over the sari. As you can see the pleats portion here in the sari which I am wearing, that the katha work is done all over the bottom of the sari, and there is a narrow border on top like this. Okay, and there are buttas, flower buttas. These are all hand katha work, okay, done all over the sari. So this is the look of the complete sari. This is the draped look of the sari. I am wearing one of them. I'll be showing you quite a few of these saris in this episode today. Here I am wearing one which is in black color and the thread work is in white and light cream color. The thread embroidery, the katha embroidery is in white and light cream color. This of course has a blouse piece, but in this particular sari I will not be able to show you the blouse piece because it has been tucked inside while wearing it. I have not detached it because this sari is for sale and somebody who will be buying it would not like to receive the blouse stitch detached. So I have not detached it from the sari. It is along with the sari and the blouse piece also has got katha work done on the sleeves portion. So the price of this sari, let me come to the price now. The price of this sari is 6950, 6,950 rupees only. Complete hand work, complete hand work. The entire embroidery on this sari is nothing but hand work. So the price is 6950 and shipping charges to any location is extra. We also ship abroad to international locations. So just let me know your particular location and which sari you want, and I'll be able to give you the cost for whichever location you want the sari to be delivered. Now let us move on to the next sari. This is a beautiful red color. Once again the material is pure Bangalore silk and the katha embroidery is entirely hand done. Entirely hand done. Now this is the pallu portion. This is called Pakhi katha in Bengali or bird katha because there are a lot of bird motifs on the sari. Here you can see this is a bird here. So it's like birds and branches and flowers and leaves and all. So it's nature and birds. So we call this bird kantha or pakhi kantha. This is a beautiful red color sari, and you can see the work. This is the pallu I'm showing you right now. The pallu has got work all over. The pallu has got work all over. And this is the bottom portion of the pallu. Okay, towards the end of the pallu. This is the yoke portion. The yoke portion has also got full handwork. Okay, as you can see, there is no blank space over here. It's very closely done. The pallu and the yoke portion is full katha work. Okay, now we will move on to the pleats portion. This design, this entire katha work will wrap around like this and will come till here. So the pleats portion will be a bit different, because from here you will see that the upper portion is red in color, and this wide border of katha work is at the bottom of the pleats. So in your pleats, what is going to happen, just like the sari which I am wearing, you have seen that upper portion is plain black and the lower portion has got katha work running all over. So the same is going to happen for this sari also when you drape it. Just that this particular sari has got close knit katha embroidery work done on the yoke and on the pallu portion. So let us take a look at the pleats portion. I am just roughly draping it to help you understand the look of the sari. Okay. This is the pleats portion. As you can see that complete kantha work is done at the bottom of the pleats. Okay, and like I said, all these saris have got blouse piece. So this sari has also got a blouse piece. It is in running color, running red color. That means it is in the same color as the body with beautiful kantha work on the sleeves portion. So this was our second sari, sari number 2. Beautiful red color kantha, and the price of this sari is 6950, 6,950 rupees. Shipping charges are extra. Now I am moving on to a beautiful navy blue or dark blue or midnight blue, as you can call it. It's not exactly very dark. It's not navy blue, but it's not royal blue also. So it's sort of these two colors mixed. Okay, sort of navy and royal blue mixed sort of color. So this is the color. This is neither royal blue nor navy blue. So both the colors are in a dual tone. Those two colors exist. Both the colors exist, and they are in a dual tone. Now let me show you the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. Just take a look at the pallu of these saris. They are such long pallus are here, and so much of work is done on the pallu. This is the pallu portion. See, so much of work is there on the pallu portion. So much of work. And like I told you, these are all hand done. The material is pure Bangalore silk, and the kantha embroidery that you see is completely hand done. This is the intricacy level. So you can see it's very intricate. The work is very neat, very beautiful, colorful, yet very subtle, and complete handwork. I'm showing you the inner portion of the sari just to let you know that this is completely hand done. So here is the pallu portion, and this is the border on both sides. So this white border you can see is on the lower portion and will run all through the bottom of your sari, and this is the border which is on the upper portion of the sari. Lovely katha work, colorful, very beautiful. The color of the sari, the silk is very beautiful, and the work done on it is also very beautiful. So this is the pallu and the yoke portion. Now let me show you a rough draped look to help you understand how it would look when you drape it. So quickly I will show you. See, so much of work is done on these saris. All of it is handwork, yet the saris are not at all heavy. So the weight of these saris will approximately be 600-650 grams, like that. Maximum, no, not even 700, it will be 600 to 650 grams only. Because these saris, the material of this sari, Bangalore silk, is very lightweight, and in spite of so much of work done on these saris, the saris still weigh very less. So this is the bottom portion of your pleats. This is how the bottom portion of your pleats would look like, and this is the palla portion, and this is a rough draped look of your sari. Very beautiful color, very beautiful design. Price is 6950, 6,950 rupees only. Shipping charges are extra. Okay, now we will move on to our fourth sari. I have till now showed you 3 saris, one which I am wearing and 2 other saris. Now I am moving on to my fourth sari in today's episode. Sari number 4. This is in a light cream shade. Those who prefer light colors, or maybe would like to gift one to your mom or to any aged woman who would be able to, they will be able to carry these saris, because these are very lightweight, like I told you. And this color is also very perfect for aged women. Of course, everyone can wear it, but many people look for light colors for aged women. So this color is just perfect, because this is a cream color. The base is cream color. This is a pallu which I am showing you. The pallu portion. Many of you ask for saris for your mothers, for your aunts. So this is just perfect, because the weight will not be more than 600 to 650 grams. And the material is also very soft and comfortable, and can be draped by any age. Any age woman can drape it. So pallu, here goes the work. The this is not exactly multicolor, but here you see the red flowers, the green leaves. So the katha work runs like this. On the border, this is the pallu which I was showing you from a distance. Lovely red flowers and green leaves. Okay, and this border will be there on both sides of the sari, as you can see. The yoke portion, right now I am showing you the yoke portion. So this beautiful design, the floral designs, will be there on both sides of the sari, and this is how the body portion looks like. So you have one design in green and one design in red, completely hand done. This work is completely hand done. Time and again I am showing you the inner side of the saris, so that you can understand that this is completely hand work. There is no machine work involved, and each of these saris takes a month or even a couple of months to complete, because you know there is a lot of labor involved in this. The work is, as you can see, is so intricate. This has to be done so perfectly, neatly. So it takes a long time, at least a month, to complete one sari. So you can understand the material is also very nice. It's pure Bangalore silk. There is no discomfort in this material. You can wear it in summers also. It is summer friendly material as well. And then again you have this beautiful hand katha embroidery done on these saris. So they are just perfect symbol of tradition. So here you see the complete look of the sari, the draped look of the sari. This is how the sari would look when you drape it. This is how the sari would look when you drape it. This is the draped look of the sari. As you can see, the design once again falls on the bottom portion, and there are kantha booties done all over the sari. The price of this sari is 6950. This of course has a blouse piece. All the saris have blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, running body with beautiful kantha embroidery for the sleeves. Just take a look at the sleeves. This will be the sleeves portion. You can use it here. So this will just look very beautiful when the look is complete with a blouse. The price of this sari, like I mentioned, is 6950 only. Now moving on to a beautiful turquoise blue color. Turquoise blue color sari. Lovely color, very bright, very beautiful. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. Just check the work. Just check the beautiful kantha work. I'm giving a close up here. I'll move back to show you the all over look. But here you can see the beautiful work. I'm giving you the close up just to help you understand the intricacy level of the work. These are all hand done. Okay, these are all hand done. Again, I'm showing you the inner portion to help you understand that this is completely hand done. Now take a look at the gorgeous pallu. This is the pallu. Very bright, very beautiful, lovely kantha work. Completely hand done. This is the yoke portion. This is the kantha work on the top, and this design is going to be on the bottom of your yoke portion as well as on the bottom of your pleats, and all over. This design you will find all over till the end of the sari from where your blouse piece starts. So now let me just quickly give you a draped look of this sari. This will help you understand. How this will look when you drape it. This is a very lovely color, very bright. These saris can be used for parties, for wedding parties, just about anything, you know. You can just choose the color for the particular occasion. That's it. Because kantha work is very elegant. See, this is the draped look. This is the draped look of the sari. This is how the pallu portion is, and this is the pleats portion. And you have these beautiful buttas all over, the kantha buttas done all over the body of the sari. This bottom portion design is going to run till the end of the sari. This is a complete look of the sari, and this will make a very good party wear. You can even wear it to wedding parties, because this is, the material is pure silk and this will not weigh heavy on you. It's very easy to carry. Okay, now I'll have to show you the blouse piece of this sari. This is the blouse piece. The body is running. The body of the blouse is in running, that is the same color as the sari. And this is the beautiful kantha work, horizontal lines for your sleeves. You can contrast these saris with any designer blouse as well. But all these saris have got blouse piece, and in all the blouse pieces you have got kantha work on the sleeves. So you can very well make a blouse using this particular blouse piece which is attached with the sari. So the price of this sari, once again, 6950, pure Bangalore silk on which hand kantha embroidery has been done. Now a beautiful black color kantha sari. One I have showed which I am wearing, and here comes another. Beautiful black color sari. Check this out. This is the pallu portion. This this is the pallu portion. It's very colorful. Geometric pattern design. As you can understand, I'm giving you a close-up and you can understand that these are all geometric patterns. Beautiful, it looks beautiful on black, this multicolored geometric pattern. The base color is black, pure black, and this beautiful and colorful geometric pattern on black looks just wow. See, this is the pallu. You can understand the length of the design from this view. This is quite long, and entire pallu portion has got close knit embroidery. Very close knit embroidery. There is no gap, no space, as you can see. This is very closely knit. This looks very beautiful from a distance, especially on black color. This particular colorful geometric katha looks very beautiful. This is the body portion of the sari. Once again, here on the upper portion you have got geometric katha stitch, hand katha stitch in geometric pattern. In this sari also I will show you the inner portion so that you are able to understand that this is completely hand done. Okay, and this design runs on both sides of the sari. It borders on both sides of the sari. Now this particular sari is plain. It does not have any work in the body. Just you have got borders, hand katha stitch borders. The upper side border will continue till the place where you tuck in the sari, and the lower portion border will continue till the extreme inner corner of the sari, from where your blouse piece will be detached. So till the end of the sari, you can say, you have this beautiful geometric design done, and the design is purely hand katha. Okay, the design is pure hand katha, no machine work is involved. This is the complete look of the sari, the draped look of the sari. This is the draped look of the sari. This sari also has got a blouse piece, but you can just pair it with a multicolor blouse, multicolor silk blouse or cotton blouse, and it will look very beautiful. Okay, now let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. As usual, the body of the blouse is in running with beautiful katha done, same in geometric pattern, in tune with the design of the sari on the border for your sleeves. The price of this sari once again is 6950, 6,950 rupees. Shipping charges to any location is extra. Now another beautiful beige color. Okay, this is a beige color sari, a very beautiful beige color sari. Just take a look at this. This is very decent. Material is of course pure Bangalore silk, like all other saris. Beautiful work is done. Here I am giving you a close-up. Just take a look at the work. So intricate. The work is so intricate. Okay. Lovely color, very smart sari. Very smart sari. This is the pallu portion of the sari. The color is beige, a very decent color. You have katha work done here and here. So you have katha borders as well, katha embroidered borders as well. The inner portion, just to confirm that this is completely hand done. Okay. Now let me show you the pleats portion. Let me show you the pleats portion. I'm roughly draping these saris to help you understand that how it is going to look when you put the sari on you, or maybe you want to gift it to someone, so you can just get an idea, get a rough idea that how it would look when you or maybe the person you want to gift it to would drape this sari and how it would look on you or on that particular person. Okay, now let me show you the draped look. As you can see, this work is all over. Okay, so in some sarees we have seen that the upper portion is plain and there is the katha work lining below. Some designs were wider, some designs were narrower. In this case, this work is all over. This work is all over. Very decent look. This is a rough draped look of the sari. This is how the sari would look when you will drape it. Lovely color, beautiful beige color, which is very smart. You can even wear it for your office meetings, corporate meetings and all, because this is a very decent color, very decent color. If you wear it for your office meetings and all, not parties, sorry, office meetings and all, corporate meetings and all, then also it will just flow with it, because this is a very decent color, a very sober color, and the design on this is also very elegant. This sari of course has got a blouse piece. Let me show you the blouse. This is the blouse piece running same like the body. The color of the blouse is same like the body, and this is the border on the blouse. Hand katha border on the blouse. The price of this sari is once again 6950 only. Now the last sari in today's episode, a lovely blue color. This is not royal blue, maybe ink blue in a very brighter tone. Ink blue in a very brighter tone. I don't know what exactly to call it, but this is the blue. This is the blue. So it's really very beautiful. Lovely color. This is the pallu portion. Just see how unique and how beautiful the design is. Just take a look from a distance. Of course, I'll give you a close-up, but this will help you understand that how it will look when you drape the sari. This is the pallu portion. This is a very unique sari. Very unique design in fact. Just check this out. Here you have got florals, then here you have got circles, then again florals, and in between you have these horizontal lines. This is complete hand katha embroidery. Hand katha embroidery. Okay. So this is the close-up. Here is the end of the pallu. This is the ending portion of the pallu. Then you have these beautiful flowers. See how intricate the work is. So much of work is there, but then it does not look shabby. It does not look cluttered. It looks so intricate and so neat. This is how the pallu goes. See, it's all over the pallu. The pallu, it's such lengthy, and yet there is no space, but it does not look clumsy at all. It looks very neat, very beautiful. And this is the yoke portion. See, this is something very different. You have this design from here running in between. Okay, there is beautiful katha work on both sides. This is a close-up. You have these horizontal lines and this beautiful floral work, which you'll again find in the lower portion as well. Beautiful florals and the beautiful horizontal line. But this is the unique portion which comes in between. This makes the sari very unique. You know, this is coming in between, and this design is all over. Okay, there is no gap, nothing. So let me show you the pleats portion, and you will be able to understand that this design runs all over. No, I'm sorry. This design comes till the first half of the sari. The second half of the sari, upper portion will be plain, and the lower portion will have this design. Okay, the lower portion will have this wide border at the bottom, and the upper portion will also have this border, but it is still the first half of the sari. Okay, so till the location where you tuck in the sari, you will have this design, as well as the middle portion which I showed you, which is very unique. Now this is the draped look of the sari. This is the draped look of the sari. This looks really beautiful. The color is very gorgeous, lovely blue, and the design, the floral design, the palla, everything is very unique and very beautiful. So a lovely draped look. You can contrast it with a colorful blouse also, and you can also pair it with a blouse piece given along with this sari. Lovely look. Price is 6950, 6,950 rupees only. Now let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece which is in running, that is in the same body color, and this is the beautiful katha embroidery for your sleeves. Price is 6950, 6,950 rupees only. So lovely katha sarees I have showed you today. Price of all these sarees is 6950. Shipping charges will be extra. Material is pure Bangalore silk, which is very soft, very comfortable. You can carry it throughout the day, yet you will not feel any kind of discomfort. It is appropriate for any parties, for morning functions, for evening parties. These sarees are just perfect. They are very lightweight in spite of so much of hand work in these sarees. The sarees do not weigh more than 600 to 650 grams. So you can understand that these sarees are very lightweight and very easy to carry. Lovely hand work done on these sarees. And what are you waiting for? Do grab them as soon as possible, because these sarees, the katha sarees, are in huge demand and they just fly the shelves in a few days. So girls and ladies, please do your shopping as soon as possible, as long as they are available. Please take a screenshot and WhatsApp it to me in these two numbers. The numbers are 9123775200 or 9830371861. You can just send a screenshot and also to mention the location where you want the saree to be shipped, so that I can tell you the shipping charges applicable for it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be coming up with more beautiful katha sarees very soon. Same on Bangalore silk as well as on pure tassar material also. So everybody, friends, stay tuned for the future episodes. Thank you so much once again. Bye-bye.